Monday morning, June 3rd, looking at the Astro Excel for the week. Coming up, I mentioned last week how the green line was moving up above the plus 40 boundary and going to peak out early morning of the 4th around 3 a.m. If you have the perfect storm book, you'll have this Excel sheet. You can click on sheet 1 at the bottom here, and it'll take you to the data points, and you'll see I've highlighted this area right here where this green line peaks out at 48.5, and that's from 3 a.m. to 3:20 a.m. So that is the peak of the green line on the 4th, and then it'll start back down. So we did have this, we were looking for a tidal high on Thursday and Friday, and it looked like it was an inversion. We got a new low made Friday morning, a lower low from Thursday, but with that big rally in the afternoon, we made that wide range outside reversal bar, and it also was a high. So we have a 1 bar high and low. With this Astro pressure, it looks like it should continue up and possibly make a higher high with this pressure coming in here above the 30 line. Now with this Astro Excel chart, it's not necessarily a chart that the price action is gonna follow this chart. It's a matter of how much positive or negative astrological pressure there is in play at any particular time. In this case, we have a lot of bullish pressure for today and into the early morning tonight. And we'll still, even though the green line will be turning down at 3 a.m. on the 4th, we're still in very bullish territory until we get back down to the 10 lines, where between the plus 10 and minus 10 it is more of a neutral effect. So when you look at this, you always want to look for where the lines are in tandem. So for today, say we've got this blue line bottom at 7, and that's going to be up to 1500 today. So both these lines are in strong sync and moving upwards. So the whole session today till 3 p.m. should be generally bullish. The next important peak for the week here, we've got this low here on the 4th at 3 a.m. Then we've got a spike high here on Wednesday at 9 a.m. Spike Thursday at 9 a.m. and a spike to the low side at 1500. Friday we've got this big spike at 1 a.m. and then in the afternoon at 12 o'clock p.m. on Friday. So that's what we're looking at. We've got this strong pressure. This pressure isn't going to negate till sometime Wednesday, where it comes back more into neutral territory, but then we'll have a little bit of a downside bias as the line moves down. So that's how you want to use this line, and that's what it looks like for today.